I have two magic bands here. I have a orange one that actually comes with the package that we got, because if you've ever booked a package, you know that it comes with the magic bands. And then I have one that I purchased, which is Figment, who is my favorite Disney character. Now, Figment's colors are orange and purple. You can see in that picture right there, orange and purple. What I want to do is, since Disney now makes these magic bands with the little removable pendant, I want to take the pendant out of this orange one and put it in the purple one, and I want to take this purple one and put it over in the orange one, just so they flip-flop. So this one will be more figmenty, even though it's kind of plain boring, and this one will be more figmenty and not just purple. Now, the only difference in these two magic bands is the Figment one says limited release right here, and the one that I got with my package basically says brand 2019. I'm going to take the brand 2019 and put it on here. They're both activated on my account, so I could use either one of them and it would be fine, but I'm doing this for the color. I've already taken the screws out of these, so it takes a little bit of force. If you ever wanted to do this, all you got to do is push, and they do pop out. You think you're gonna, it feels like you're gonna break it, but you're not. And you do the same thing with this one. All right, so now I'm gonna put this one here and this one here. And then this is going to snap back in. Not snapping back in easily, but it does snap back in. And then I'll put this one in here. So again, these are activated on my account, so I can use either one of these. So here's what we got. I got a purple Figment, purple and orange Figment magic band, so it's more figmenty. At least I think it is. It's more fun. It's not just boring purple. If you want to do something like this, have at it. Mix and match. Most people have multiple magic bands, and they are interchangeable as long as you have them activated in your account. And make sure that they're yours. That's the big thing. If you haven't already activated them to your fingerprint and your name, they're not yours. So don't use somebody else's. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video, and subscribe. And remember, guys,
No kicks!